Welcome back. Dr. Blumenthal back here, Natural Transplants in the DC office. And we got Tim today. Tim, welcome, man.
Thank you.
So all the way from
Frederick, Maryland.
Not too far. So thank you for doing this for everybody.
Sure.
Appreciate you paying it forward. Tell everybody why you're here.
So I'm looking to get my hair a little thicker and fuller to make myself feel better.
Cool. And you've had 2 procedures done previously.
I've had 2 procedures.
Elsewhere, and it was
Correct.
several years back.
Correct.
And it came out okay. There are 2 of them, I'd say maybe 20 to 30%. It wasn't fantastic, but wasn't bad. And we're going to kind of fill in these gaps right here, kind of these triangles, right, sort of in the corners of his hairline. A little bit as well here. We're not really going to drop the hairline any, at least that's the goal as of now. We're just going to reinforce it. And so by reinforcing where the hairline is, it's going to look like it's dropped, even though we're not physically going to drop it. And then a little bit lost, I'm going to spin you around real quick. A little bit lost in the crown here, so kind of a comma shape. So we're going to fill in some of that as well too. The scar from the previous surgery is a little bit on the thicker side. So if possible, he's got really good elasticity, even though he's already had 2 procedures done. So we're going to try, if possible, to remove the old scar and also have enough hair to get the job done. If we cannot get the job done by removing the old scar, we'll do a new, have a second scar, but ideally, best case scenario, we'll kill 2 birds with 1 stone, get the old scar out, and still have enough hair to accomplish the goal today. Sound good?
Sounds good to me.
Awesome. We'll draw it all out, and then
Great.
we'll come check in with you in a few minutes.
Okay.
Cool.
Thank you.
All right, we are back with Tim, and as you can see, we have drawn out the hairline. We brought it down a little bit on his right side just to even it out. It was a little asymmetric, but otherwise, we basically just kind of followed the line. And we have drawn out the rest of the playing field. And so we're going to do the corners a little bit in the front, just about finger width, and then the other one as well too. And then back up in the crown, little comma shape back up in the crown. And then here is the strip in the back that we're going to take, and that's the old scar. Again, that was done elsewhere. So we'll try to incorporate that, and hopefully that'll give us enough hair to be able to fill out the rest. Couple Valium on board. Feeling all right?
All right.
All right, let's rock and roll. We'll see you in a little bit.
Okay.
Cool.
Thanks.
All right, we have finished. Tim, you made it, man. Congrats, buddy.
Thank you.
So give everybody the review of the day. How'd it go?
Went really well. I probably would have shaved my head if I would have.
Retrospect, maybe shave your head next time?
Yeah,
hopefully it won't be next time.
But outside of that, it went really well.
Good.
Smooth. Everybody was nice, and I'm excited to see the results in several months.
It's awesome, man. I love it. All right, I'm going to zoom in just
to
show the work that we did. We really packed it in tight. All those nice tiny little grafts. And then I'm going to roll around here. We got the crown. Pack that in as well too. And we did remove the old scar. So the old scar is gone. So you're only going to have 1 scar at the end of the day, which hopefully we razor thin.
Yes.
Awesome, man. Thank you for doing this. Thanks for sharing your story with everybody.
Okay.
Hopefully it'll sort of inspire someone out there. Anybody that's sitting on the fence, if you had a friend or something, you said you've already talked to some friends about this already, but what would you recommend someone that's sort of questioning and sort of debating back and forth?
I'd say just do it. Do what makes you happy.
Yeah.
If it's something that you're thinking about, do it.
Yeah. Awesome, man. Yeah. Love it.
Okay.
So we'll follow along, hopefully see you in a year.
Okay.
Cool,
Thank you.
All right.
Take care.
Take the first step to better hair. Call 844-327-4247 to schedule your free virtual consultation.